Yo, it was good July. Yeah, I'm back streaming. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the game back. My viewers are slowly coming back, but I'm about to send out my tweet on Twitter. But I'm just gonna chart right now. I gotta go over some stuff. How you been, man? You still trading? Can you hear me? I don't know if my mic is working or not. Oh no, I'm watching the stream myself. Hello? Or I can't even hear myself in my own stream. Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, I am talking. Oops. Okay. What you said? Zim? Okay. Yeah, I do Zim. Uh, what is Zim, bro? Shipping. The hell? Shipping service. Yeah, I don't need this. Wait, bro. Oh my. I'm gonna have to, bro. I can't stand this thing, bro. I'll just use my Mac. All right, do y'all hear me? I'm gonna just use my Mac microphone. I don't care. My Astros aren't working for some reason. It's that. Yeah, I'll just use my Astros. I'll just use my Mac. All right, do y'all hear me? I'm gonna just use my Mac. Dude, I was talking this whole time. Bro, I did a whole chart. Now I gotta. Bro, where? Oh my, I gotta start over. Okay, first up. Dang it, bro. I was talking this whole time. All right, you know what? I'm gonna just start over. All right, so Zim, I don't know what the stock is. So, but what I was saying was, it looks good to the upside. It looks good. All right, bro. I'm so mad right now, cause dude, I was yapping. I came with a whole plan just for me to be muted, bro. All right, Zim, back on topic. I don't know what they do, but just based off the weekly time frame, I'll just show you. I'll just do it. I'll just start over. It's just easier if I start over. Okay, so just based off the weekly time frame, right? If we're looking just this on the week, we are in an uptrend. It is in an uptrend. Why do I say that? Okay, so we bottom. All right, number one, these lows got reclaimed, right? Tapped, blah. It's like we're pretty much above these lows. Like we came down, we pop back up, right? Number two, low right here, higher low, right? Higher high up here, right? This major peak up here. So pretty much, I'm looking at 30.15. My overall peak just based off the weekly time frame, just based off everything I just said right now. I'm looking at 30.15, just based off the weekly. So I'm looking at price to come back up to this high and test this high. But there's also a gap down here at like 26, which I see getting tapped first. So I'm looking at 26 first. And I'll show you that gap in lower time frames. But as of right now, just based off the weekly, it like this looks good. And then two, just watch here. You can see this trend right here that got broke. You see, and there's one up, and there's a channel right here as well. But you see how this major trend line, this downward trend line, just got broken up. And then if I do the top of this right here, look where price is at right now. So now I know for a fact if we break over 23.61, we're going to fill a gap up here that's like 26, and then I'm looking at 30. Just based off the weekly analysis. I haven't gone on to the daily. So then if I go to daily time frame, right? This, like I said, yeah, like you can clearly see we are in an uptrend now. Like this is like, I don't see, like if we were in a downtrend, then price would have broke under 11 bucks. I'm gonna keep it real. We wouldn't have rallied off of 12. If we were in a downtrend, then price, when we hit this $11 and bounced up and came back down to this level right here, then this candle should have came down and took out the low at 11.15. But what happened? It made that higher low and it broke above this trend line. And now what are we doing? We're breaking above levels of resistance. Like if I do this, like we're breaking above levels of resistance. Like I can literally see it. Like I don't even have to draw those. But so that's what I'm saying. And then that gap I talked to you about, I told you, right? It's right here. So that's why I said we break over this. I'm seeing like 27. Like I'm minimum the gap 26.5. But overall, I'm looking for 30 to that high to be taken out. I don't know how fast or slow this stock moves. I'm gonna keep it real because I don't really trade slow. I don't like trading slow movers. I like Tesla. I need speed. 52 cents. All right, yeah, something like this. Marine shipping, right? Yeah, shipping stocks move slow, but they move steady. Yeah, like this, like something like this, I'll just buy time. But I can easily see 26 and 30 just based off the weekly and daily. And then that channel I was talking about, I think I saw it on the 4 hour. But you notice how this chart I drew is different from the one I drew at first, or the first one. Like I said, I can look at a chart and draw it and there are many ways I can draw it. But I try to just keep it simple. So that channel I saw was right here. Okay, the only problem is if we make a double top, like if we can't break over 24.47 and we make that double top, if this is the head right here, then I'm seeing I can easily see price come down and fill this gap right here at 17 before it goes up and get that 30 mark. But as of right now, I don't think that's going to happen because we're breaking over resistance, right? And then number two, you see this second gap right here, this higher low gap right here? We filled this gap with this candle, popped back above, broke this high, right? Made a new high, came back down. The moment we made that high, price came back down, right? But we're still trying to go up, like it's still trying to break out. So that's why I'm still looking to the upside. Cause despite this ugliness, it's still making higher lows and higher highs. It's just in a channel. And then I can draw the channel out too. I can it's an ugly channel, but I think I did it on this time frame. Or was it a 4 hour? I don't know. But I know because this is a start point right here. It's it's an ugly channel. What time frame did I draw that channel on? Now it's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, it was. I think it was a daily time frame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I drew it on a daily time frame, but you can easily see uh the low, right? The first high, second high, low down here, all right? Boom, boom. That's what I'm like it's stuck. And then notice how we hit the top channel right here. What happened? We couldn't close above it. Open it right here at it and tanked. So that's what I'm saying. Easily, that's why I'm looking at 24.47 because I know this aligns with the channel and this level of resistance. So we break above that. I'm easily looking at 26 just based off of that. And then I haven't even gone down to like a 4 hour or 1 hour or anything. But just let me look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. I can see a head and shoulders. Like I see a head and shoulders right here, but I think this one's a fake out. Cause only reason why I'm saying that, cause it broke. Like, look, we broke, right? But we only fell to come back in this area right here. If I were to draw this right here, this candle right here, and I'm pretty sure there's volume on that. If there's not volume, I'm gonna be shocked. Yeah, I'm right. Look, boom. Even on a small candle, look at the volume compared to that candle body. Look at the volume compared to the candle body. Look at the volume compared to the candle body. Then look at next day. Boom. Bullish engulfing. This engulf all this. This one stick engulf all of this. So that's what I'm saying. Like I don't think it's done. I just think this head and shoulders was just a fake out to just trap more sellers. Because obviously this is if your first thought is to go short if you see this. But yeah, if you own shares, it's like you're chilling. Like if you're owning shares, like just hold them, honestly, and just and the thing with shares, the way to trade shares, like buy on red days. Like if you truly believe in the stock, if you truly believe in your PT, then just buy on red days. There's no point in trying to average up on a green day. I mean, you can average up, but it just depends. Like usually, like for me, like if I'm building, I try to just buy on red days, or I just buy some and then and then I wait for like a red day or like a red daily candle or something. Like I want like a red daily candle or red weekly. But that's Hold on, I'm gonna promote myself one more time. I need more charts to do. You want doggo? Come here. What's up, Macy? Let's see. All right. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna go over my Tesla. So who swung? Someone swung something. Oh, you swung Meta, right, Nelson? Bro, I couldn't. I wanted to get in Meta so bad, but I couldn't. I wanted to so bad, but every day I would look. This junk was up $10, $10 to $15 every day, and I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in this junk so bad because of this big gap it has right here at 730. Like, look, I should have got it down here, bro. Well, I couldn't, bro. Look, it went to my 0.5. This is a freaking, how much is this move right here? If I got it just right here. Oh. Or even if I got it down here, bro. That's a perfect tap. When did that happen? When did I draw this fib? When did I draw this chart, bro? Even if I got that 600. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh well, I caught Tesla, so I'm not really gonna trip on Meta. Plus those cons were expensive on Meta. I'm looking at them, I'm like, ooh, like, geez, man. I know, like, I'm balling, but damn, man, like, I'm balling on a budget. But Tesla, I love this stock. I actually traded it because of earning. Well, I didn't trade it because of earnings. I actually traded this because of the wedge, which I'll show you on a sec. So this so for some reason, apparently everyone in the mama was short Tesla on Twitter today. For some reason, everyone was short. What's up, Joe? Yeah, I do SATL for you. Yeah, Joe, I got you. Let's see. SATL. What's that? Satellite? Yeah, I'll do that one sec. But yeah, so Tesla. I'm gonna just go over this trade real quick, in case people are entering the niner. So this one, this weekly candle should flip green and it should engulf. But anyways, I got in this one. Hold on, why do I have those trend lines right there? Why did I draw those? Oh yeah, because of this channel right here, which it broke out of. Because it was in this channel. This was the first break. I knew this junk was gonna go, bro. You could just tell. But anyways, I wasn't trading it because I wanted to test out a theory. Because I'm not trading. I wasn't trading this because of earnings, right? I knew they had earnings. I didn't care. I was trading this because I wanted to see the earnings help the structure play the because earnings, it has a part in the structure. It has a part in the structure. I'm not saying to get more earnings, like, no, but when I saw it, like, I can't ignore that. I'll show y'all. I can't ignore this wedge. Do you see this giant wedge on this stock right here on Tesla? And I talked about this in my last video. Like, I couldn't ignore this wedge. Like, even despite them having earnings, I was trading it just based off the price action itself. Like, I didn't care about earnings because I just wanted to trade this price action. And then, boom. That's what I'm saying, bro. If we hold, it's just gonna go. It's just gonna go. And even if I extend that, look. Even if I were to extend this trend line after hours, look at this junk. That's what I'm saying. We break over this, it's boom time. And the fact that it faked out down here, it stopped out all these people right here who were short. That's what I'm saying. This junk ain't done. But you said satellite SATL? I got you right now. Because I need more charts to do. What is this? A penny? No, not a penny stock. This is like a what? Like a mid? What is this? What's the satellite technology? What are you gonna do? How do I check? You said SATL, right?
Damn, 18 million volume. What are y'all? Oh, electronic aerospace defense. Electronic NASDAQ. I just want to see what they do. Dang, they've been here since 2010? Ooh. I had to let my dog out. Let me chart this. It's the fact that this thing has 18 million of volume on it. Yeah, this might. I'm not gonna say it might be the one, but I gotta chart it. I gotta see. But just based off the weekly, this weekly candle, it needs to close above 549 to confirm the trend. I'm in this at 2.9, holding shares. I mean, like, bro, I'm gonna keep it real. If you got in at 2.9, like, bro, I wouldn't even worry about this. I'll just let this junk ride back up to the highs. Did it just IPO? Oh no, no, they've been here. Oh no, I forgot. They've been here since 2010. Let me measure this. Actually, let me do the bottom, bro. 6 and 8. But I wanna. This is one because this was the most recent. Yeah, okay, still the same area, 6 and 8, but this is actually some clean price action. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, this is some of the cleanest price action I've seen. Like, this is a clean triangle. Ooh. Ooh. Monday. The 23rd on February. What's gonna happen that day? Something's gonna happen that day. But as of right now, this young, like, it's in the upper. Like, this is bullish. The only reason why I'm bullish, cause we have this impulse to move right. We made a flag, a fake bear flag, right? This thing tanks. So people are trying to. So the moment people saw this triangle broke out, everyone's going ball deep short. Everyone is shorting this. They are trying to short this junk, but you're shorting into a buying area, which is where these candles right here. So if you see these, why would you short this when this one big green candle right here? How big is this green candle? This long, right? So let's compare that green candle to these 4 candles. Do you see what I mean? That one green candle over here eats all these candles. And the fact that we came back down into that, the fact that we came back down into this buy zone right here. And then too, I know if I go down the lower time frame, I can find the exact spot. In this, yeah, I can see it right now. I can see it right now. Boom, wick. Look at that. That's a perfect. Then took off. So now, and we're what's this high? What is this I'm seeing right now, bro? Like, what am I seeing right now? Hold up, let me lock in for a sec. I'll just keep these trim line. I don't have to extend them like this, but I like to do it just to see something. Yeah, so we're starting a new trend. Yeah. We close above 549. Yeah, 718, 1092. And the fact that it has like 18 million volume on it. Yeah, so this monthly close, this monthly candle? I didn't see this monthly. This is a bullish engulfing. I didn't even see the monthly. Yeah, this monthly candle just needs to close above this wick. It needs to close above 549, and they're gonna try their best to not. So I feel like what's gonna happen is, since there are 2 more days left, it's gonna tank. I feel like this monthly candle is gonna sell off a little bit and push down, right? But I don't think it's gonna collapse. I feel like it's just gonna sell off, push down, probably close like down here somewhere, like a 450, probably like $5, and then this next candle, which opens up, should open up and start to push up. It should start to push up, and when I say tank, I'm not talking about like a tank. I'm talking about like a couple of cents drop, because it moves slow. Like this stock moves slow. Like it's a slow moving stock. So especially you buy like leaves on this junk, you'll be fine. And then two, on the 4 hour, like look, like I'm still seeing more stuff on the 4 hour. Like I'm seeing this is ball shape, and then we traded in this gap, right, and we took off some more. So that's why I'm like this is an uptrend. This is a fake out bear flag to grab orders. Like this is an uptrend. Seven-figure contract 2 weeks ago. Well, that makes sense. And if they do good on that contract, then this stuff like there's the when I say the sky's the limit for stocks like these, the sky's the limit. Like all it needs is just more good news, and it's just gonna fly. Like all it really needs is volume, because and it has a gap to fill at $8 too. So yeah. So but my overall TP, just looking at this chart right now, like my overall target is this gap at $8, because I feel like price is gonna hit this and leave a wick, and then from here it should fall off a little bit, like back to 7 or 5, make a base, and then go back up to 1092 before it takes out the all-time high of what's this? Wait, what's this high? 10. What the? What's this high? This high is 9. No, this high is 1092. So why? Oh, I gotta zoom in. Yeah, I was on a wrong candle. Yeah, so this high right here of 1219. And then if it breaks over 1219, just know all of people on social media are gonna pump this thing and talk about it, and and before you know it, it's just gonna fly. I'm not saying to go all in it, but if you're like, especially if you got a good entry at 2.9, just buy shit. Just buy on red days. Like just buy on a red day. Yeah, but that one, but that's a good but I like that one. That's a good one. What else? No, we're pulling back. We're red. That's the first. I'm not really nervous. Like, let's see, NQ. Yeah, nothing matters right now until we open. So hopefully we should just base here before we take off some more. But I swung Shopify. Like shop looks so good. I swung Shop and Tesla. Then yeah, cause I was in Amazon, but I'm glad I sold Amazon this morning. I sold this junk at 247. Because I was up over like 100%. And I know, had I held this through this chop, I would have been so mad. But the one stock I've been waiting for is Netflix. Like I'm watching Netflix every day, but because this is one stock I'm waiting for. Because once this junk finds a bottom, I am going long and I'm catching this move. Are you ready to go? Yeah. Hey, don't hold because of me. I could be wrong. Hold because of your own analysis. I just chart. But I can definitely be wrong. You're trying to find an entry on this. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Like I said, the best time to enter is on a red day. But even then, I just wait for the break of 111. If anything, gap 918. Let me see. These stocks like these, bro. Let's see. I'm gonna have to. Yeah. So it's going up there. Yeah. We should break this level and stall. Yeah. The weekly, monthly, daily. Yeah. The only one that. Yeah. So the 4 hour is gonna. This next 4 hour candle is gonna determine. Because it's either gonna break out in a flag and we break this, or we just dump back into this big candle right here. So that's what I'm saying. It either falls down back to 873 and we get something, or we range up here, right here, reclaim over 950, and then you're looking up. And 10 is just the first target because it's just like I said, like stocks like these, like you really have to take them level by level. But it does have a gap. It has to figure out 13. So 13 would be my overall target. And like it's going parabolic. Like just looking at this, like this is parabolic. But like I don't really like don't get FOMO. There's always more stuff to catch. But yeah, I just wait on this price action right here because it's just consolidating. It's either gonna expand or this junction is gonna break down. Like this on the 15 minute, like this kind of ugly. Like I want to, yeah, like rejection, rejection, rejection. So I don't know. I really don't know. It depends. It's stuck in a range. So either it breaks above. I mean, what's the low? Right here. Yeah. So we either break above, 978. What's this high? 978. And hold, then we keep pushing, or this junk it just breaks down. And by break down, it's either gonna do when it opens, open halfway, and then boom, we fall down to the gap right here. Usually that's red as a red candle. So, or this junk keeps going like down here. It's not gonna be one big candle like this, but you know what I mean. Like candle, red candle, bullish green candle, then another red candle. Slow moving down. But that's right. Like right now, I wouldn't even. I would just wait. I wouldn't even enter. I mean, you can enter, but I mean, like, just like it's ranging. Like this right here, yeah, like this. I'm not trading because this is just range. I think it might break down honestly. Cause even just look at a yeah, I think it's gonna fall. Because looking at the 1 minute, these red sticks are huge. So someone is selling. Compared to these green sticks, yeah, someone's selling. Someone's selling. I don't think they're buying. I think someone's selling. Because even here, even just based off the 1 minute, I think someone's selling. Which makes sense. Yeah, so at least to this gap down here. At least to the gap. Yeah, 914 in between like 925. Cause like okay, so we gapped up, right? Pushed up, made a new high, but what happened? We kept falling down and we broke this low, right? This is the first time I can if I just get rid of everything and just show you just based off of this 1 minute structure, I can show you why. Like this is my reasoning. Wow, wait. What's good, Nelson? So gapped up right here, first candle. Well, I'm gonna say this right candle right here, the first candle. Then we made this higher high. This is the first. I'm gonna just do it right here. I'm gonna just do this range right here. Low to high, higher low, higher high, right? This is a higher high. And then from there, where did price go? Before it rebound. We went all the way down here to make a lower low. One, two, I guess. If I wanted to, I could do. If I counted every move, put a circle, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or just 1 to 2 to 3. This overall move. 1 to 2 to 3 if I wanted to. It just varies. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Look at the size of these red candles compared to these green candles. Like this is one of the only few big green sticks I see on a 1 minute compared to all these giant red selling sticks with bodies. Like it's not just wicks, like it's mostly like big body selling. So that's why I'm like, so we broke under the range, right? We broke above the range, right? If you went long, you got stopped out. Then we came back down, broke under. If you went no, if you went long, you got stopped out. Then it came back under. So if you went short, you were eating until we came back down, right? We broke the low. Shorts probably thought that price should push lower for this gap. What happened? Pop back up. So those shorts got stopped out. So they pretty much stopped out both sides. That's pretty much what they did. They stopped out longs and they stopped out shorts. And now they're just playing with them. The banks, they're trying to get more money in so that way they can move this price where they want to go. So you can see ever since we made this high right here, we haven't broken this high. So we never broke above 978. We it came back in this range. Like we're out the range right here. It made a base and then we broke back in the range, went back up, topped the top of the range, right? Came back down, tapped it again right here. We tapped it again right here. We tapped it again right here. We tapped it again right here. Anytime we tap this, what happened? We sell off. That's what I mean. Like anytime we tap this range, we sold off. Price can't hold above it. It sells off every single time. So that's what I'm saying. And this candle right here, like look, this is a big stick for 1 minute. This is a big stick for one minute candle. So that's what I'm saying. Like I think short term it's gonna fall. I think it's gonna sell off and fake out. I really think I could be wrong. I could just be overthinking, but just based off of that 1 minute range. And then too, it's just I would wait. Just wait to see which way it breaks. I would wait to see which way it breaks. But as of right now, um let me go to 5 minute. I would let me see. Hold up. Let me see. Oh no, what did I do? No, how do I go back? Yeah, but as of right now, I'll just wait. I would set an alert. I would set an alert like down here. I like the 926 at this candle low, and then at the high, at the overall high of the range. Because you know, if we break the high of the range, it's going to pull back and give you uh that high low entry to enter. Then all you have to do is just set a stop loss under this range once price comes back above and reclaims this, and then you just hold it. Or number two, just wait for this gap right here to get filled at 915. Like the midpoint of this gap. Guys, look, yeah, ADM touched the midpoint, and I think it is gonna come down because it wants to take out these lows right here, all these lows right here, because there's so much money right here, low right here, low right here, low right here. So you know, yeah, I'm short. I'm short. I can't, I can't, I can't see just based off like long term. It's a buy. Long term, we're making high lows and higher highs. Short term, as of right now, just based off this current price action right here from Wednesday. Yeah, from Wednesday. Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback. No, unless it moved up after hours and I just didn't know, then everything I just said is okay. No, it's yeah. Okay, I'm I'm fine. So yeah, I just wait. Just wait. It's good, Nelson. Yeah, anytime. Oh, back to green. My shop. I'm really worried about you. Did you move after hours? Ooh, hold on. We went to 142 after hours? What's going on? Who's buying? And Tesla again. Where you at? Where are you at right now currently? We got 439. So yeah. So this should go back up there, bro. And then bro, I wonder if they do work on after hours, because candlesticks are candlesticks. They don't matter. And then I want to see from right here. I want to see short term. But nah, this was so low. Let me see here. Actually, no. Just measure this big candle, bro. What am I doing? What do I have to do? You tracing this big candle? Yeah. Pop back up. Then we're here. Okay. Those are my short term. If this plays, I'm gonna just leave this flip just to see. Cause I don't really trust after hours candles, but I'm gonna see. I knew I should have shorted Starbucks, bro. I knew I should have. I wanted to so bad. Oh, what? Hold up. There's something. If y'all hold on, I'll check in a sec. But there's a stock I was trying to find. I've been meaning to buy. Oh, Boeing, you. Oh, don't. This is just gone. This is. I'll explain this later. But so far, this junk has done. Wow. Okay. Where are we? Oh, okay. So it's still in this zone. It's still in this gap, Boeing. Bet. Oh, I know what I was gonna look at. PLTR. Cause I wanted to short this junk too. Oh yeah, I didn't. Yeah, this was just a fake. I don't know what I was doing here. Oh, I was trying to see something. Yeah. Cause I know this gap, right? Yeah, it broke under. Yeah. Cause I forgot that day it was, but I thought it was gonna hold this gap. Well, it broke under them both. Honestly, it went to this low. I should have known it was gonna do that. Cause I should have known. Cause anytime I see the structure, bro. Anyways, that's not the point. I'm trying to look for a buy entry. I don't really care about it falling. I'm trying to buy. So let me go to weekly, cause I've been watching PLTR because I'm trying to get in. 147 would be so nice. We come down here, wick, pop back up. Yeah, look at this monthly stick. Please, can we come down to 147 in 2 days? Y'all think that's possible? Wait, that is possible. Oh, it has to move. It just needs to go down like $5 one day. The other day, like another $5. Yeah, that is possible. What am I saying? So yeah. So I'm setting an alert at 147. And if wicks are just candlesticks, 151. And then I set alert at 163. If we break above 163, I know we're bullish and I'm just gonna buy. So I have my I just buy level, my entry level that I want, my prime entry, and my super entry level. So I got 3 levels. I know for a fact if this next monthly candle opens in this wick and we start to push green, I'm buying. Not sleeping on POTR. I don't, just because it's selling off doesn't mean it's dead. Everything has to sell. You can't buy. You have to sell to buy. You have to buy to sell. And I guarantee you there are people buying during this sell-off. Guarantee you. Just trying to average down. Anyways, I want to go more in depth. Yeah, daily. Yes, it's definitely going to lower because this is a daily break. We broke all this. This candle broke all this to close under. And then I'm gonna go to 1 minute. I'm trying to find the exact spot that I think Price wants to go. Let me find the exact spot. Yes, bro. I think it wants 147. I think it wants that low. But regardless, even on the 4 hour, yeah, break under 156.56, or I'm seeing 147. Like I'm seeing price come down in this area right here for PLTR. Any long term? The only long term I'm holding right now is Netflix, and I'm gonna buy more every week. Oh, sorry, I was doom scrolling, but how long have I been live for, man? I feel like I've been. Dang, I was live I was live trading for 5 hours. Oh damn. Oh, I'm a live trade tomorrow too. Cause do I have anything going on tomorrow? No, I don't. I don't. But I do at 7 p.m. But other than that, I'm not doing anything. So I'm gonna be up for. Okay, so I'm either gonna stay up for market open or I'll be up by market open. So it's one of those. But I am gonna stream tomorrow again. Hopefully tomorrow's another good day. Well, tomorrow should be a better day than today. Today was only sideways because of FOMC. But I want to see how low can we retrace. I like that the 30-minute time frame has to be one of the best time frames to ever use. This is my bread and butter time frame. I can see us coming down to 26,100. Do we take out these lows? Do we pop back up? Well, 29,997 again. Come back in this pocket, pop back up, or we just come down to this work. But I can see a slight pullback. Cause it's only, what time is it? It's only 8:42. We have all night. That's what I'm saying. Let this junk pull back down here, and we get some more orders. We should be fine by open. If not, worse Friday. Come on. Yeah, I don't heard long term on stuff that I like. I just know it's gonna go up long term, like Netflix and Trump coin. Those are the only two I'm holding long term right now. Mm, I really just might stick to this tournament time frame forever, man. This I swear this is the best time frame. But yeah, but POTR is a must watch. And I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, I thought the spy one play. I knew that jump was just a chop, bro. But I knew that it's gonna fly. I know it's gonna fly. Cause anytime spy does that, it flies. Yeah. Let me add PLTR up here. And I didn't trade that spy, just hold up. But PO2, yeah. But I'm setting an alert on this stock. And let me. I like Home Depot. You know, I made. Let me try Home Depot because I made good money off Home Depot. On second thought, I'll do later. Let me look, bro. Just look and see at what I want to chart. Costco. Target. Excellent. Dude, oil. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me look at HCBI Activision. I was. There you go. Oh, I forgot. They don't have this young anymore, right? Yeah, delisted. I can't stand you. Oh, next best one, EA Sports. What's EA Sports doing? This junk EA be moving too. Like I got like this EA. This junk be moving, bro. Oh, they had dividend. Okay, man, dividend smoothing. Ooh, you look like a good short to me, EA. But nah, I need something else. I need something. Cat's the only one up $4. Everything else is down. This young gonna fall. Oh, the mouse. You know what? Let me chart the mouse. I like Disney. I made a lot of money off of Disney. Yeah, Josh. I see you around. Thank y'all for stopping by. All right, let me chart the mouse. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 107 level. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Just give me 107 Mickey Mouse, and then I want the gap fill to be complete because it didn't fill this gap all the way. I want 116. I know, so give me elongated down here at 106, and I'm taking this jump back up to 116. Either here or here, because I want this entry. I really want this one or down here. Yeah, 106 area. Like I want to enter for the mouse. Like I'm telling you, it's gonna come down here. It's gonna consolidate. Then from there, it's just gonna boom. I don't think it goes to 95, unless we get like really really bad news, because it does have this gap right here. But that's all based off on the higher time frame. Like higher time frame wise, impulsive retracement. And this monthly candle small, and it's inside this this green one. That's why I'm like, bro, just give me this pullback, and I will take that risk to reward every time. Because Disney pays. It's one of those, you catch this stock on a $3, $4, and $5 move, those contracts pay. Disney has like one of the best deltas per contract. That's how I like to trade them out. Oh yeah, I love Disney. And, hey, it makes me money. I'm not gonna hate a stock that makes me money. Disney, my most money has been made on Disney and Tesla. I know on Tesla. Tesla has made me the most money. Disney, AMD, Nvidia, like those. Like no, I stick with my bread and butters. Home Depot, McDonald's, Jeremiah, Shop, Meta, BA. So if I get lucky, shoot, BA, man, I can't stand the stock. Look at coin, bro. Oh, actually, coin. Oh, that was, yeah, let me put the mouse up here. What am I doing? Disney, you're right there. So I'm gonna keep this on my watch list. Like I have it, so and we'll come back to that one later. Coin. I missed this short, bro. Cause I like Coinbase too. The 4 hour and 30 raw green. But the daily, so they're buying on the lower time frames. But which means the higher should have a wick. Oh yeah. There is a wick. Small. It's a small. That's a small. That's a small weekly candle. If this is the island bottom, then I expect this next one to just break to the upside. If we make if this turns into a hammer or till this has a day. This junk could flip back green too. Now my question is, did we take out this low? No. So I think Coin's gonna take out this low first, play around. I want this. If this monthly candle pushes down here, it might close down here. So this next one needs to push up. But I'm not. This is based off the weekly, right? Let me go to daily. Okay, yeah, we fill this gap right here. I'm just gonna draw a line. That's where we're at right now. This is the inverted head and shoulders, left head or right takeoff. So this is the area where they were buying at. Like this whole area they were buying, and we're pretty much back in that area. I guess you want to count it. So, but it isn't a current. The current trend is a downtrend, but to me, low high. We broke this low, went up lower high. We made a lower low. So that's 1, 2. This is the third low. And it has a gap to fill at 252. Honestly, I'm waiting. Because I either want an entry, or if I get this 184 entry, that'd be so nice. But let me go to 4 hour. Let me go to 30 minutes. Let me go to 30. I have to see what's going on. 30 minute. Look at this. What do we have here? Another gap. Oh, this just got so many gaps. But it's all like it's like a box. It's a box. So if we start buying in these zones right here, Yeah, actually, I'm setting alerts. 205, 201, 200, 197. Because if we come down and fill that gap and leave a wick and hold, that's a good long on coin. And coin can move. I'm looking at 240 instantly. Instantly 240 if I get 200. If I get 201. All right. I'm going to go hop on the game for a bit. Because I think we've been charting we've been here for like last hour and a half, almost 2 hours. I think. I don't know. I just know we've been charting for a good minute and yapping. But sorry, I had a stretch. But I thank y'all for joining. I'm gonna do a chart session every day that I don't work after the market closes, but it's gonna be like late, probably like 6 or 7 or 8, like around this time. And then I'm gonna start trading live on YouTube every day. Well, not every day, but on the days I'm off work. So I'll be live tomorrow for market. I don't know for market open, but I will be live tomorrow. If it's not market open, the latest is like 11. I say noon. No, I say like 11 or 12 EST, East Coast time. But I thank y'all for joining. And I'll see y'all in the next stream to the 6 people.